We are going on a e-bike trip around the lake in Wanaka. All right, this is our bike trip. We're getting ready for the bike trip. This is the start. So we're going to start on the gladstonetrack, and then we're going to head back to Wanaka. You ready for this?
Yeah, looking forward to it.
Let's do it.
Got a beautiful day here on Lake Hawea. We've got our cyclists ready to go on the Gladstone River track, heading toward Wanaka. And we're with New Zealand Bike Trails, NZ Bike Trails. We'd love to have you come and join us.
Yeah, I gotta do it.
Got a walker that's come off the Tiarawa Trail, which is the trail that runs the length of New Zealand that you can walk and ride on. It's Lake Hawea. And there we go. Beautiful day here in Wanaka, Central Otago, and this is Lake Hawea.
Beautiful view behind us. We stopped to take a look. One thing I have to admit is New Zealand is just absolutely beautiful. What do you think, Robin?
Yeah, the views are stunning, and the camera unfortunately doesn't do it any justice.
Wow, some more beautiful views here on the bike ride. I mean, it's just incredible. More beautiful views. I highly recommend this bike ride. Wow, that water is really clear. Looks like there's a pack of alpacas. Hey alpacas, how you doing? All right, so we got to this Hawea River track. That's how you pronounce it?
Yeah.
How's the bike ride so far?
Yeah, it's beautiful. The lake, that other lake was amazing. We'll see what this one looks like, but it's been fun. We only, I think, made one little wrong turn, but we corrected it pretty easily.
Right. I think this is more of a river coming up, so we'll see what that's like. Very clear water in this river. I can't believe how clear this water is. It's amazing. All those protective things that they do in this country, I guess it pays off because it's very clean and incredibly beautiful.
I've never seen a river as clear as that in my entire life.
Yeah,
It's blue, it's amazing.
And again, I think that's why they're so strict about everything and making sure that this they keep it this way. You ready? Let's go. This is made for surfers. Pretty cool, huh? Well, we've come to a suspension bridge, and as you can see from the sign, if you have more than 10 people on the bridge, it could break. So I guess we'll make sure there's no more than 10 people on the bridge. And I guess you walk your bike over because it looks kind of very narrow. So I guess that's what we'll do. You could actually feel this bridge bouncing around. A little unnerving. I guess some people try to ride over. It looks difficult. All right, we stopped off at Albertown for some lunch. A little bit of a break before we get back on the road. How do you like the bike ride so far?
I think it's great.
Yeah.
A little bit of everything, some river, some bumps.
Yeah, definitely a little bit of trail biking. That's why they're probably trail bikes, e-bikes. And my e-bike did kind of have a mishap for a little while. It wouldn't, the battery wasn't working. I think it's the way I started it back up. And anyway, it messed up and I got that fixed. So everything's good now. And the views are just unbelievable. And the water is just crystal clear, as you can see. So that part's great. Well, after a pretty rough trail bike ride, which I couldn't film any of it because it was all over the place, we landed at the beach here, so I thought I'd show you around. So what'd you think of the bike ride?
It was a lot of fun. The little parts were different than I expected, but a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was fun though. It was definitely more of a trail bike ride than anything, so it was pretty awesome. All right, now that that's done, I guess we'll go to the lake and hang out. See if I'm brave enough to get into the cold water. Robin probably will, right?
Sure.
Yeah, I'm sure she's going in.